today a explosive volcano. Explosive volcano from the explosive science box, right?
You need to be very careful because you need to get protection gloves and
goggles. Well done. Okay, so what do we start with? Let's see the instructions. So we have our volcano and we have a funnel.
Yep.
And what we need to do... Funnel is a red thing, baby. Okay, and now we need to measure 50 mils of malt vinegar. Annabelle, how much is this? 30 mils plus how much more?
20.
20.
Equals
50. Well done.
30 plus 50 is...
Okay, baby, pour it with me.
30 plus 20.
Squeeze it, but it's made of glass, so you can't really squeeze the glass. But you can try to shake it a little.
Yeah, because then it will break the glass.
Okay, I think we've reached the top.
Okay, and now you need to pour it in
Carefully, Arik. Carefully.
Shall I help? Yes. Oh, okay. Let me hold this. Wait, no. Okay. Somebody help with me?
Okay, baby. I will help you. Okay. So you're holding it? Yep. And gently pouring it in. You see, it's going in.
We might need some vinegar.
It is vinegar, Annabelle.
It is?
It is vinegar. Can you smell the vinegar?
I can't smell it.
You can't smell it?
No.
Smell it, look.
Ew.
Ew.
That's disgusting.
Ew.
Now we need 20 mils.
But it's delicious on your chips.
We need 20
And now another 20 mils. Okay, let's do it.
Can I pour it?
Yes, baby.
I just hope it doesn't go on my face.
It won't because you've got protection goggles.
Oh yeah, I'm not wearing it. Let me wear it right now. Because it will go on your eye. Yeah. And it will burn your eye.
Uh-oh, don't burn nothing. Oops, we had a bit of a spillage. So let's wipe it with that little tissue.
But it's okay.
It's okay.
Because we have tissue. Okay.
Because we have tissue.
Let's pour it in right
Let's pour it in. And again. Oh, it's reaching the top. Be very careful. I think we might not need any more. Annabelle, let's check this. No, we do. Okay.
Okay, a little bit more.
Okay, we're done. Yes. Well done. High five.
Yep. It was almost about to fill up too.
Okay, now that we've filled it in, we need to add some drops of the red colouring dye.
Oh.
Ooh, see? Arik, I haven't opened it yet, sweetheart.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Maybe I just made a mistake.
It's alright.
Some people always make mistakes.
Okay, let's put some drops of it. Can you put it from a height so I can see?
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's it, Arik. I think you've done it.
Okay, let me just shake it a little bit and...
Did it go in?
Shake it in. No? No, but not yet. You have to squeeze it.
Is it getting in?
No. Yes. It's not getting in, Arik. Wait, can I squeeze it a little bit?
Hold on, Arik. Let me see. I can't actually see it. Pop, 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 pop.
Ew.
Oh, yes. Oh. I see it go in.
Look.
Is it in there?
No.
Okay, shake it in, Annabelle. Shake it in.
Oh, I can't shake it. No. Wait, it's coming up on the lava. It's okay. This is paper anyway.
Okay, so let's hold this a minute. Let me see if I could directly put it in as well, just in case not enough has not gone into it.
Oopsie. Move this so I can This is disgusting.
Okay, baby.
This red dye, what is it?
It is the dye.
Okay.
Okay, ready? All right, put it back in. Right, now here comes the very tricky bit. Everyone has to stand back. Now, to react with the vinegar and the red dye, we have something called bicarbonate soda. What is it? Bicarbonate soda.
We have some goggles on.
Yes, we do. Start pouring this in. Be very careful. Arik, I think you need to keep your hands back.
Yeah.
Because you're little. Annabelle? You too. Ready?
I'm to help you.
Okay, are you all ready? Are we ready?
Yes.
Are we ready?
Yeah,
yes. We're ready. Are we ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay, everyone ready now?
Okay, yeah.
The bicarbonate soda is going in. Yes?
Okay.
Might have to use a stick.
It does not come on us.
Okay.
Hopefully. Okay, Arik, stand back. You need to stand back.
Stand back.
Okay, Daddy, put the camera like some.
Come on, go in.
Daddy, be careful that the camera doesn't go like with the explosion.
Okay, let's go in. Whoa!
What happened?
It's coming! Look at this! Ah! Oh my goodness! Wow! It is exploding!
No, like. Psh,
No, but this is a lot. Wow! Oh my goodness! That is amazing! Annabelle, look! Oh my goodness! Look how it's oozing out!
Ooh.
Ooh. Wow! Look at that! Look at that!
It's so cool.
And it's stinky!
lava.
It does look like real lava, doesn't it?
Yeah, like.
And it stinks of this malt vinegar.
Yeah. It's like
But-
in the olden times when the dinosaurs were alive.
Yeah, it was like the dinosaur world, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is where the dinosaurs used to be. Look at that.
Look at the white thing.
It looks amazing, doesn't it?
The little bit of the white thing.
Oh yeah, it's all around. It's okay. But this was a good experiment, wasn't it?
We can maybe do other experiments.
I think we will now. This was fun. Right?
Yeah.
High five, everyone. We've done it.
A little red dye on your thumb.
Uh-oh. I've got dye thumb.